So this machine has faulty bearings. You can see also the oil seal is damaged. That's why there was a leakage of water. So the bearings caused an imbalance, destroying the stator. The stator was further damaged. You can see this. Let's go to here. There's friction here. This pull. So there was an imbalance. So what I'll do, I'll replace the stator with this one. This one is okay. You can see this one, it's dirty. The rotor is dirty. This one is okay, so I'll replace it with this one. Then I'll replace the bearings with the seal. The drum is noisy. Then it's uneven. You can see the play. That's a very big play.